Hello everyone, my name is Azaz Patel and I am from webhub.blogspot.com. Welcome to the part 40 of e-commerce website development in PHP with PDO. So guys, in last tutorial we successfully delete the product by this button, this link. So in this tutorial we are working on the update quantity of this cart. Just like if user want this quantity more than 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, then he can also, when he click on save button, then that quantity change to the 4 or 5, and that subtotal also will be the change and net total will be also changed. So let's start. So first of all we are going to the cart display page, function. Yeah, here it is. So just look at here. Here we have a just look at here. Here we have an input field which our text and the name is quantity. Okay, so here we need to create a one array like this. This is the symbol of array. Okay, so inside that array we need to target the cart ID, just like here. Just look at here, cart ID 12 or 13. So we need to target that cart ID. So we are going to directly target that like cart ID. Now we will update all the changes, just like when someone right here like 1 and then click on save, then that apply will be changed. So how can we do that? So just look at here, we have already one submit button which name have a update up QTY. Okay, so we are create a one if condition on here. We can't make it if condition inside while loop, just because the while loop is not for the end till all the products are not fetched from the database. So we can't do the if condition of update quantity from inside while loop. We are going to above in the while loop. So if is set $_post, just because we use a post method, and what's the name of submit button is up QTY. Okay, so what happened when someone click on that button? Okay, so first of all we need to get the quantity like quantity equal to $_post QTY, just because our input tag name is QTY, this tag name. Okay, so I'm going to show you what's the name of this. Just look at here, QTY, and it's an array and it contains a cart ID. Okay, so here we need to make a one while loop here, for each loop here, just because we need to update a particular product. If we update this into the while loop, then that change will be applied on here and also from here. So we can't do like that. We need to update particular product which is saved by user. So how can we do that? Simply we are going to create one for each loop. This is the syntax of for each loop. Okay, so it must have a one content like quantity, which is available here, which contain our quantity field. Okay, so quantity is $key, then assigned by $value. I'm going to explain you this. So first of all, key. Okay, first of all we need to write a query, then after I will explaining you. So update query will be performed here. Update QTY equal to $const, then prepare statement. Inside prepare statement we write the update query, update cart set QTY equal to $value, and then but where cart ID equal to dollar key. Okay, so now I'm going to execute this one. Execute. Okay, we also need to refresh the page here. So we need to make this execute function inside a if condition. If, then echo double quotes script, then window dot open single quotes underscore self, then the targeted link is cart.php. Okay, so now I'm going to explain you. So first of all, we use a qty equal to value, which means this variable which is contained by this quantity. So when I write 2, 3, 4, it is the value. This is the value. Okay, and then so we target here the value, just like when I write a 1, so 1 is the value. When I write 2, so 2 is the value. Okay, so we contain the quantity equal to value, so that value comes from directly here, just like 1 or 2 or 3. Okay, then after we use a cart id equal to dollar key, so that key, which means that key which means the cart id which is available in our name attribute, and name attribute have a qty, then it's an array. So this is the array, and then the row cart id, which means this id, which means when I press 1 and click on save this one, so this is the id number 12. So that that query run and update on quantity only for the number 12 quantity, number 12 product. Can't we update this number 13 product? So I think let's check this code. So when I write a 5 and when I click on save, okay, so just look at this now. So quantity is now available with the 5, and then subtotal also change, and net total will be also the change. So when I click on this to 5 and when I click on save button, so just look at here, 200 main price, subtotal change, and also net total is changed. So this is the way you can update your quantity directly from here, just like 1, so it will be the 1. Okay, so guys, I think this is enough for today. If you guys like my videos, then like and share in your mind, then comment below, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, just because you can get my latest update videos directly into your inbox. So don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.